Hey, what's up, fam? Kurt with Caribeque, and we're about to make some whiskey brown smoked turkey drumsticks. Let's go. Here we have the ingredients for our whiskey brown turkey drumsticks. We have our Caribeque poultry brine, some Jack Daniel's whiskey. We have Allentown, which is our traditional turkey seasoning because it has rosemary, thyme, sage, and marjoram. We have some additives for the actual brine. We're going to add some rosemary and some lime. And we have a half cup of the brine. Let's go on to the next steps. First, we add a half cup of our poultry brine, our new Caribeque poultry brine. Then we're gonna add 32 ounces of liquid. So I'm adding 16 ounces of water. Then I'm gonna add another 16 ounces of Jack Daniel's. This will be a nice flavor profile addition to our drumsticks. You can put this on the stovetop, warm it up and stir it, but it's already nice and melted. We're gonna come back with our next steps. Now we're gonna add our 2 drumsticks to the brine, and we're gonna add our flavor enhancers, as I call them. Squeeze a little bit of lime in there, add the second lime, gonna add some rosemary, and then you're gonna add a little bit more water to the top to just cover the turkey. And we're gonna stick that in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours, and we can go as long up to 12 to 24. But I'm gonna go for about a 6 to 8 hour brine. Go ahead and drop the lid on this, stick it in the fridge, and I'll probably flip these drumsticks every couple hours. These turkey breasts have been in for 6 hours. Took them out. We're gonna go ahead and pat these dry to get the excess moisture off of them. But we're gonna add a little bit of an adhesive to it by adding some of this olive oil so that we can have the island thyme stick to it. Go ahead and flip this over, flip it over, add the olive oil on both sides. Then we're gonna apply liberally Thanksgiving turkey seasoning, island thyme, just all the ingredients, rosemary, thyme, sage, marjoram, and some of Caribeque's finest ingredients over the thyme. And we're gonna flip this over. Gonna let this sit for about 10-20 minutes so it all soaks in. I have the smoker preheating at 325 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and stick a thermometer in this and cook them until they get to an internal temp of 165, 175. So we have our pellet smoker set at 325 degrees. We're gonna let these go probably an hour and a half until we hit an internal temperature of 165 to 175 degrees. So there you go, fam. We have some whiskey brine, smoked turkey drumsticks with our Allentown seasoning, the seasoning of Thanksgiving. Look at how tender and juicy this came out. Nice smoke ring. Super delicious. Like or comment below. Kurt with Caribeque.